Hello everybody, it's Jessica from Alicante Real Estate. I'm today standing here on this promenade, what takes you directly to Playa de los Náufragos, what you see on the back of me. You have a walking distance from 2 minutes and you're at one of the most nicest and biggest center beaches in Torrevieja. So you are near to everything you need, okay? Just on a walking distance from about 10 minutes, you are in the center from Torrevieja. Also, you have all the facilities like restaurants, bars, you have shopping, you have supermarkets, all you need. If you follow me, I'm gonna show you this apartment today from inside. It'd be a pleasure. Let's go. So guys, now I'm standing just in front of the apartment. As you see, it's a ground floor apartment, which I'm gonna show you now from inside. If you follow me, let's go. So now we're already in the interior of the apartment. As you see, I come straight from the road into the living room. And if you follow me a little bit wider, we come in to a very big kitchen area. It's a nice kitchen where you can have your dining space at the same time. And a little bit further down, we have the first quite big bedroom with natural light from the windows, and you have all the wardrobes inside included in the rooms. And we also have to the other side, like I said, 2 more bedrooms, and we have a bathroom. So if you follow me, I'm going to show you now. On your left hand, you will find the first bedroom, which would be the second one in this apartment. You also find the third bedroom on the left. And if you follow me, we come to the main bathroom and the only bathroom from this apartment. Every room has windows. That's quite important for good ventilation, so near to the sea as we are. We are only 100 meters from the sea, remember. So I think this is a very quite good investment actually. You can renovate it a little bit and rent it out for holidays. You can use it yourself, you can renovate it and resell it, whatever you want, because the location of the apartment is just amazing. It's a ground floor, so it makes it easy for every age the access. So now I'm coming to the end from my video, and we are talking for 160,000 euros in the heart of Torrevieja and near to the beach. If I catch your interest, just contact me down on this number. It'd be a pleasure to give you more information. See you soon in our next videos from Alicante Real Estate. Bye guys.